speak out against oppression and injustice, and to work towards a more
Thank you, Father. As we approach the time to break fast, let's take a moment to ask dua. The veins are wet and the reward is confirmed by the will of God.
I'm also a video content creator. I like to create video and I created videos on this. So they said that, Miss Nitika, what's really awesome here, which is sometimes not happening elsewhere, the biggest iftar, which is notable in the city of Chittagong, is given by a Buddhist temple here in our area by the chief monk in that temple, where he goes and cooks the kanji, like the candle and the shorties and everything he cooks. He himself prepares. He himself stacks it into a box like this. He himself goes and puts it in front of the temple and he waits while the sun is going to set, where he welcomes everyone to come and collect their food. You want to take the food? Go. You want to eat it in my temple? Come and eat. This is the house of everyone. You can come and eat here. Look at the concept of sharing and caring.
This has always become a fellowship meal to show our solidarity with our devoted, pious, spiritual Muslim brothers, sisters and children. So this occasion always occurs during a period which is significant for Christians as well as for Muslims all over the world. We Christians just celebrated the Feast of Resurrection, Easter, last Sunday, and it so happened that the Muslims all over the world get involved in this Ramadan fast.
It is with immense gratitude that I stand before you today as the Secretary of our Islamic Board for the year 2024-2025 to extend my heartfelt thanks for joining us in this blessed gathering for Iftar. First and foremost, I offer our gratitude to Allah, most merciful, granting us this opportunity to come together in worship and unity during this blessed month of Ramadan. It is through His grace and blessings that we are able to observe fasting and gather as a community. To our guest speaker, Mr. Intika Abdul, thank you for gracing us with your presence and for being a part of this joyous occasion. Your participation enriches our gathering and strengthens the bond of a brotherhood within our community. Jazakallah Khair. We would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Reverend Father Nihal Fernandez for graciously permitting us to host this event within the premises of our school. sincere appreciation to all the teachers in charge and the committee members who have dedicated their time and effort to make this event possible. Your commitment to serving the community exemplifies the true spirit of Ramadan, and we are truly grateful for your service. A special thank you to all the generous students and parents who have contributed towards the iftar. Your kindness and generosity have allowed us to provide nourishment and sustenance to those in need, and your support is deeply appreciated. Finally, I extend my heartfelt thanks to all of you, brothers, for joining us tonight. Your presence here is a testament to the strength and unity of our community, and we are truly blessed to have each and every one of you as a part of our Islamic family. Let us also remember the less fortunate and keep them in our prayer. May Allah accept our fast, forgive our shortcomings, and bless us with His mercy and guidance. Jazakallah khairan.